Earth magnetosphere and its importance.
Shape of the Earth magnetosphere. Earth is surrounded by a system of magnetic field called the magnetosphere. The magnetosphere shields our home planet from harmful solar and cosmic particle radiation, so it needs to change shape in response to incoming space weather from the Sun. Earth's magnetic field. Although Earth's magnetic field is roughly a dipole, like the field of a bar magnet to a first approximation, it has a much more complex shape than a simple dipole field. Earth magnetosphere. The magnetosphere is not actually a sphere. It's shaped more like a teardrop, with a long tail extending away from the Sun. Similarities and differences of magnetic field lies between Earth's magnetic field and Earth's magnetosphere. Similarity. The pattern of magnetic field lines in both Earth's magnetic field and Earth's magnetosphere are not fixed. Differences. The pattern of Earth's magnetic field lines change slightly while the pattern of the magnetic field line in the Earth's magnetosphere change a lot based on the interaction between solar wind and Earth's magnetic field.
Definition of the Earth's magnetosphere. Earth's magnetosphere is defined as a region in outer space surrounding Earth where the magnetic field in Earth's magnetosphere is a combination of Earth's magnetic field as the prime magnetic field and the magnetic field in the region in outer space. This diagram shows the combinations of Earth's magnetic field and magnetic field in the outer space which form the Earth's magnetosphere. Formation of Earth's magnetosphere. Magnetosphere is formed by the interaction between the magnetic field brought by the solar wind and Earth's magnetic field. As the number and energy of particles brought by the solar wind change, the shape of the magnetosphere also changes.
Importance of Earth's magnetosphere. The importance of magnetosphere is to protect the Earth from the adverse effects caused by dangerous particles from the Sun or other bodies in the universe. The blue lines show the Earth magnetosphere, which is also known as the magnetic field lines. Next, this shows the Earth protected by the magnetosphere from the solar wind. The Earth magnetosphere functions as a biological shield to protect life on Earth from the adverse effects of solar wind. Apart from that, the Earth magnetosphere also blocks charged particles such as electrons, protons, and alpha particles in the solar wind from reaching the Earth. Last but not least, the Earth magnetosphere reduces the pressure exerted by solar wind on Earth's atmosphere. What would happen to the Earth if there are no magnetosphere in the atmosphere? The excessive numbers of charged particles in the Earth's magnetosphere would disrupt telecommunication, navigation system, and electric power lines.